Hello guys, welcome to Koma Acha. Today in this video, we will be drawing our Homer Simpson. We'll begin with his eyes by drawing a set of curves like this. Then we'll connect it like so. Now give it a dot inside the curve for his eyelids. And then, we will draw his nose by connecting from his eyes in an oval shape like this. Beautiful! Now, let's give him a mouth. Follow closely. Yes, like this. Now, let's draw his head. Starting by drawing a curve down like this. Followed by an open circle for his ear. Give it a dot right here. Then, we'll be drawing two spiky lines right here for his hair. Draw two curves right here for his hair as well. Two lines for his neck. Like so. Now, let's move to his shirt from starting with a straight line for his collar. You are doing great! After that, curve down like this. And then, another slightly bigger curves for his belly. Now, for his arm, we'll start with two dots like the first. Then, we'll connect them from here. Two here. And then add a line to connect these two dots together, like so. Moving on to his arm. We'll draw a wavy line right here with his four fingers. Then we will connect it with a straight line like this. And then, let's connect this to fully form his shirt. Now, this side we'll be drawing our Homer Simpson holding a donut. Perfectly done. We'll give it a dot right here for his pants. Then another down here. And then draw one straight line like so. Same goes for this side. For the last part, we'll be drawing his shoes. Ta-da! All completed! That's all guys! I'll see you in the next coloring episode!